In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an email signature in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a professional, reusable signature set up so your emails look consistent and on brand every time you reach out to a contact. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho CRM website at crm.zoho.com. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your usual account credentials so you land on your main CRM dashboard. Give the page a moment to load so all the options are available. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This gear icon is your gateway to all the setup and configuration options. Click on the gear icon to open the settings area. If you ever get lost while following along, remember that almost all configuration in Zoho CRM starts from this gear icon, so it's a good place to come back to. Inside the settings, find and click on the email option. This section controls how email works inside your CRM, including templates, integrations, and of course, your email signatures. Clicking on email will open up a dedicated page for email-related settings. On that page, look for an option labeled Email Configuration and click it. This is where Zoho groups the main email setup features, including sending options, server details, and signatures. You may see several sections on this page, so don't worry if it looks a little busy. Next, scroll down the email configuration page. You're looking for the section specifically labeled Email Signature. It might be a little further down, so keep scrolling until you see a heading or block related to email signatures. When you reach the email signature section, look for a button or link that says Add New Signature and click it. This is what starts the process of creating a brand new signature that you can attach to your outgoing emails in Zoho CRM. A form or editor will appear. The first thing you'll be asked for is a signature name. This isn't what your recipients see, it's just for your internal reference. Type in a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you might name it something like Standard Sales Signature or Support Team Signature, depending on how you plan to use it. Next, you'll need to select an address. This usually means choosing which email address in your Zoho CRM account this signature should be associated with. If you have more than one email configured, make sure you pick the correct one so the right signature appears when you're composing messages from that address. Now it's time to compose your signature. In the signature editor, type the information you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. This typically includes your full name, job title, company name, and contact details such as phone number or website. You can also add elements like a simple tagline or links to key pages. Use the formatting tools in the editor to adjust fonts, add line breaks, or include hyperlinks so everything looks clean and easy to read. Keep it professional and avoid clutter, since a clear signature is more effective than an overly complex one. When you're happy with how your signature looks, the final step is to save it. Click the Save button to store your new email signature in Zoho CRM. After saving, your signature will be available whenever you compose emails from the selected address inside the CRM. You can always come back to this same area later to edit, update, or create additional signatures as your needs change.